Embra ayawa so West Wagon by election incidents no esi no yeni aye hu de aban eyeye it was a good initiative from the government. Aban set up commission a be friend no Emil Short commission say wo mon hwehwe ensem ni mu ni hu de ekose the violence during the ayawa so West Wagon by elections no na private legal practitioner bi in simple terms will be our lawyer. Your friend Dr. Ernest Kofi Abochi. Na Dr. Ernest Kofi Abochi, ayawa so West Wagon incidents no Emil Short commission no or no na woye commission no womo secretary. The secretary to the commission no Dr. Ernest Kofi Abochi no na woye secretary. Now, what the same Baba and we believe say in some way what they are Baba no, it is based on data the Emil Short Commission took. Embra ayawa so by election investigation no no. It is believed. One Baba on saying because say data we no use here, but Obiana what can Emil Short Commission home there. So what Baba on saying now was speaking on violence during polls and elections are. We believe say data now wonya ye the year investigation no munya the year investigation no eno ho asem e na work na asem a working. He is not the first person to say this. Yen yesu say we no dia working what the data e na can, but spiritually a lot of pastors have said that. So obekaya just last 2 months me the bremo say was so focus ya wo Ghana we no the one time cancer ansem na kra no Archbishop Duncan Williams so no kra be kan so 2020 ebeye blood for blood pan Ghana say yanhwe year because Nkrofania break. Now Dr. Ernest Kofi Abochi asema wodi tu jani was say yanhwe year Ghana is likely to witness violence in the 2020 elections. Yanhwe bibi ye pan Ghana 2020 elections no basa yo ebesi already mema what here say voters register nsensem ewo ho Mahama nso e kan na adwen e tre say voters register new one ni ebia wo bi e kwose okoto aba na ne din enimu a wo de basa yo beba na a lot of people say me dey eje say we ni end that form so we need that form pa na wonim de ekwa obehu no say that 2020 elections are very volatile. Extremely. Now, one only reasons are one man say that 2020 elections yanhwe ya violence back on any. Was say there is near absence of good faith on the part of the two main dominant parties in the election. Was say MPP and NDC womuntem no wo bia nje ne nyonku ndi wo bia ni wa woje ne nyonku di womunji omunyonku ndi wenji NDC ndi wenso NG MPP ndi near absence of good faith eno ni asema worker NIT for say asem we are working you and I yenim say ye nekre MPP ni NDC wo mu ni na wo bia nje ne nyonku ndi ye ni ayenim na the entire womunji omuhundi ne say NDC be na adwo say yeni so mutu ni nyam wo vigilante group na sisi a MPP ababonte say wo mo assign with peace council say wo mo ban vigilantism NDC assign bi but NDC ewechi ejidi yomo adwo say mo asa MPP for o me say that captain say Delta Force mo ban but in reality they are actually working and until NDC so wo be sign na wo be na adwo say oh me so ma ban me Eagles no near Zoka boys no and so in reality they will still be working. Inti bakunji bakundi ninti dia womo ka se womo beja kan womo ntumi nja because we e hye trim say se mimi ko jaya bakun won kon ko jayo e dru election so no dia baba mafia me. Now we see this particular behavior between two big political parties e wo man biemu no. Emma sebe basabasayo esi. It makes violence prospect highly probable in the elections. And no, any brofo about day etuja. Now, we are not also teachers say the ongoing accusations between the two parties and the refusal of the NDC to execute peace deals are ample testaments to what awaits us in the upcoming elections. What's the end of NDC? But sorry, in some case, near the two MPP for so. MPP for so, but sorry, in some case, near the two NDC for so. Na saa nyama we nyinaa no eye ample testament a yede hwe de twen yen saa 2020 elections yi na de eye me de ene se magana fo hu ne se aseye wie na wono esusu se still these two political parties can do their best emra ewo ho they can do their best na Ghana fo ehu ne se oh we de bibia ni wa ebesi because etie for metumi atrel say wo fa Ghana for 10 metumi atrel ebia 5 ebetrel say dabi this year elections there yanhwe ya basabasa yobesi yenka say the whole Ghana but some places yanhwe ya basabasa yobesi wo fa Ghana for 10 na 5 beka sa asem na atrel ba enka emre bi wo fa Ghana for 10 na nka ba ko kre ni wa wo betrel say wo Ghana election basabasa yobesi ka ba kumpo ni wa wo betrel. But this time around, I am volatile. It's easy. Now, in some way, no, and let's say, be our no, not in the baby, or just a walker, the whoopoo. There was a lecture at Media General. Now, Media General, Omona womu oni, TV3, Nessa, Onia FM, Media General. Inti, womo organize lecture bi womo organize lecture na team no promoting stability, electoral violence and the 2020 elections. Inti no TV3 ana omo only TV3 di omo ye ene say womo epese educate Ghana for ema ye hu ne say 2020 elections no e was say ekototin e den ne ebe ya ebe ma 2020 elections na kototin ena wo ba ya wo be kan sansem no se eja twen yen Ghana yanhwe yi a na eho na waka se ne kra o hwe ayawa so west wogon nsensema esi ye reporter wo trauma commission no ne kra metumi aka se the most serious recommendations ni ano aban boguye but to be fair aban took some of their recommendations a wo mo ediye adwuma nti waka se abaya yade at least one recommendation can aban je ya odi ejuma because one thing is say aban is not obliged to implement those recommendations by the Emil Short commission. It was say at least say aban fine nyama ni bi edi aye ejuma nkwan de aban ya de ewo ho but was it more needs to be done. Abaya ya de but bebre wo ho a e wo se wo ye se ye nia ye mpe se 2020 elections si basabasa ye bia besi a e wo se ye sa de no I say 2020 elections can only succeed if these lawless groups are kept in check and uprooted. I say one of the 2020 elections no sa vigilante groups ye two omu etu omo ehun say ye tu omo a that's the only way. Therefore me de maka enano me wo ho and Ghana ni bia wo wa brochi frɛ me and I'm very sorry I'm putting this across but when you're not just a story in the crime fan to abonten na wo frɛ me wo yo bia wo sunda ya ebim so sunda ya bia wo sofo a wo ka trɛ nti wo frɛ me no trɛ me say na nka wo pese me record no na wo tu Ghana for daye bia wo son ye 2020 elections yanhwe ya basabasa yobesi na waka asa no na meka so okay no problem but later on abeka tem so okay wo pese wo friend the pastor na wone pastor ne kasa ansana ma record no me see no problem later obe frame me no say wono kra ne kunu ene pastor no se ne ansem no eye serious no omo mbe se wo de betudwa inti no we sorry and I'm say okay no problem one our frame say obe ma me ansem one frame say wo kunu ne pastor CJ no problem na ansem a waka kire me off air answer na me ye ma adwen say na ka bia ye be record ye ho no wase basa yo Ghana ya nhwe yi a de besi no and she is not the only person ngofo bebra even asofo Ghana asofo 31st night our motion kom bebre na kan say yan bompa ya 2020 elections yi ebe ye tare nche ma jo comment box mo tie for me da se